everyone, this is Nelson's TV of Denmark. Welcome back to our channel, and once again we are going back to
Dun, 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 dun. Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa guys. We are going to the land of the rising sun, Japan. Konbanwa to you guys. Yes guys, this is Nelson's TV2, and today we are going to watch this video. It's called Sakura Cherry Blossom Blizzard in Tokyo. And I think it's a perfect video to watch because spring is coming in Denmark and I love flowers. And you have many beautiful flowers in Japan.
Spring is in the air.
Yeah.
Not yet, quite.
Not yet, but I can see in our garden there are flowers coming out. Yeah, and I see this channel where there are many beautiful flowers in Japan. Yeah, so we will see this video, Cherry Blossoms Blizzard in Tokyo. So guys, if you're new to our channel, you can always subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video. So let's get started! Is it all cherries?
Yes.
Wow! Wow, so beautiful. It's so relaxing watching these beautiful flowers. You know, it's see, it's like you're in a heaven. Oh my God. We have this kind of flowers
you
in
know
our
what heaven looks like?
Yeah, no, but just my image. I think we have this in our garden also. This color.
Yes.
Yeah, I
yes,
think we
but
have
it's
these
not
trees.
cherry.
No.
I think it's apple trees.
Yeah. Oh, okay. See, it's like you're like in a movie. Wow.
Scary movie.
No. Yeah, I can read the flowers.
It's also a bit
Oh,
sad with
yeah,
all those flowers.
Yeah, I'm also thinking a bit sad that when the flowers is falling.
Yeah,
so
because then it'll be over
Yeah.
pretty soon.
Yeah, it's like
So,
you're very excited that the flowers comes out, and then it seems that when the flowers begin to fall down, so oh my God, the spring is always soon over.
Yeah, but I remember when I was a kid, my parents had a Japanese cherry tree, so I would go and
Okay. Aww. Like you can use it in a movie and in background. So beautiful. I mean, I'm thinking you can print this. It's like you can use it as a print. Like we have a wall in our house that we need a print. So maybe it's cherry tree flower or something. Probably is beautiful because until now we cannot find
maybe
any.
we could use just our trees in the garden.
Yeah.
Make a
Beautiful.
picture.
Yeah. Oh my God! Yeah, it's so perfect. This one is.
There's a lot of boats.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are 4 boats.
I think this is a tourist destination. I think this is
But yeah.
And but to have a picture, this place, a very beautiful picture. If you're in this place and you have this picture, it's very nice to print it. It's like you're in a painting.
And a very tired husband there. over in the boat.
Just relaxing. It's so beautiful, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. I'm so excited for the spring. Waters with all the flowers. These things are so romantic, you know.
Yeah.
It's like, you know, people they're just roaming around there so to experience this kind of beautiful flowers around, flying is so romantic.
Yes, and it is like, yeah, it's gone within a week or so, because it's for a very short time. So you really have to be there.
Yeah. It's like butterflies. You know, all the flowers flying. And I think we have these trees. It's not apple. I'm thinking we have a tree, sis, and yet behind our apple tree. We have this. I have to look at it. I have to take pictures and videos.
I don't
There's
remember.
ours.
It's
There's the
name
same-
in,
the same
in
co-
English. Yeah,
the same
but
color.
Yes.
Yeah, we have this. We have this. I have to.
Those.
I have to document this our garden this year.
It's not plums. No.
No, it's not.
What is it? What is it?
No, it's like this is pluma. Yeah, that we have.
But what's that in
Is
English?
it a plums? Is it a plums?
Plums?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah.
Just a minute.
We have many fruit bearing trees in our garden. Oh my god, the water is full of beautiful flowers. Yeah. Heaven.
So we just need some water in our garden also.
Yeah. This is cherry trees. It's all the cherry trees. Yeah. But we have we have 3 cherry trees, and now you get another one, so we will have many beautiful.
And one more apple tree. Yeah.
One more apple tree.
I don't know where to put all these trees.
Yeah.
It's not that big a garden.
Yeah. See the, oh my god, this is paradise. Oh my god. So relaxing. Under the tree, and then all these beautiful flowers.
Mm-hmm.
So beautiful. It's like snow.
Especially also with this music.
Yeah. I have an after watching this video, I have an idea in our garden. I have to document also when these flowers falling, so I can use it. You know.
Maybe I shake the tree.
Yeah, because I don't know to shake it. You have to, you know, I have to document all this. You know, when I'm wishing that the, you know, it will not fall down, but
stay up.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we need some glue then. So beautiful. Okay. That was very good video. Very beautiful cherry blossoms. Yeah. Yes.
I'm so excited to our garden.
But why are called cherries? Actually, because they're not cherries on.
Just these are flowers, and after
it's
this,
only the flowers, and then there's nothing. So why? I don't understand.
You know, before the fruits coming out, the first flower.
No, because there will not come any fruit.
No.
No, at least not here. I don't know if it's different in Japan, but
okay, but
what we call Japanese cherry trees, there will not be no cherries on.
Yeah, in Denmark. Yeah, because our cherry tree we get fruits.
Yes, but they are not Japanese.
They're not Japanese. No, okay. Okay, so in Japan are there only flowers? Oh.
Well, I don't know. I guess they also have cherry trees, but not these Japanese cherry trees. I don't know.
Okay, let us know, guys. Let us know, because probably there it's different. Yeah,
could be. Yeah. I don't know.
Interesting to know. Yeah, so well, anyway, guys, thank you for watching our reaction video. This is very beautiful video. Very, you know, I love flowers. I love watching this beautiful scenery. So once again, guys, thank you for watching our reaction video. And if you're new to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time we have a new video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.
Sayonara.